hello again. Well, I know it's been a long while and I think I'm back for now because I kinda missed making videos on here and watching videos of you guys. And I just recently had this little idea to capture a little thunderstorm that we had here in Germany yesterday night around 1:30 in the morning. And the thing about it is that we had this thunderstorm due to a very epic heat wave here. We have like roughly 40 degrees at the moment, 38, 37, something like that. I just thought I'm going to share the impressions that I've captured with my digital camera yesterday night. The pictures though, they are not 100% authentic. Anyway, I just thought it was pretty, and so I thought I'm going to share it with you, just to make a little first step into my YouTube comeback, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you later.